Hey Mustangs, welcome to week 2 of Make Your Own Instruments. Today we're going to be making our own kazoo. You may have seen or have yourself a kazoo like this. In my family, we always called them doo-doos because that's what you have to do to make a sound. You can't just blow into it. If you do, it sounds like this. Nothing. But if you talk into it, if you hum a vowel sound or say words, I like to say doo-doo-doo, sounds like that. So today we're going to make our own kazoos. We're going to make it out of a comb. I found 2 different kinds of combs. Each one works well. This is what I have in my house. For today, we'll try this one. And then you're going to want to use either parchment paper or wax paper. They both work really well. The parchment paper, you need to make sure your lips are really dry for. Not as important with the wax paper. I've heard you can also use tissue paper, but that's not something I have in my house right now, so we won't use that. All right, I have my comb. I'm gonna use this wax paper. Very complicated process. I'm gonna just take my wax paper, wrap it around my comb, and I've done it. I've made a kazoo. Now I'm gonna put it up against my mouth like this, and I don't want to press too hard, and I'm kind of holding this in place. But if you wanted to, you could like cut it with some scissors and tape it on. I'm just going to kind of hold it. You see how my fingers are a little bit below the comb? Just going to hold it on like that. And now I'm going to put my mouth right up against here. And it makes that super fun sound. And also I feel a real buzz on my lips. These kazoos are great. So easy to make. Your turn. See if you can find what you need to make a kazoo at home. I'd love to hear you play your kazoo, see videos, or if you made your kazoo out of something else, let me know. I've heard some people do it with toilet paper rolls, which we used last time. If you put some of this wax paper around one end of your toilet paper roll and wrap it really tight with a rubber band and then punch a tiny little hole in the side. I hear it makes a really good kazoo. I'm out of toilet paper rolls now that we've made all our shakers, so in another few days I might be able to try it. Your turn. Make your kazoo. Let me know how it worked. Take care. Miss you, Mustangs.